Milnenes Clicks.
You got the power.
Uzi, easy dribbling, pass to Trupa. Trupa pass to Riba, no good, rebound by jersey number. Trupa pass to Vasquez for two, shot is good, tampong pogi. Jersey number 19, pass to Flores for three. 3 points mula kay Low, nawawala. Trupa pass to Vasquez, pumawi. Rebound by Riba. Riba pass to Ignacio. Tony, there's a blocking foul mula kay jersey number 4. Flores, first personal foul, first team foul mula sa Spain. Trupa easy dribbling. Shot lock. 10 second shot lock. 5 second shot lock. Rebound by jersey number 29. Pass to jersey number 16. 19. Russell pass to Flores again for 3. 3 points. Trupa easy dribbling. Pass to Ignacio. Ignacio pass to Vasquez. Vasquez muling babawi sa tres. Wala, rebound by Flores. Flores pass to jersey number 19. Russell. Russell from deep. No rebound by Vasquez. Vasquez umaatake sa gitna. There's a whistle foul mula kay jersey number 19. Russell first person. Ubarde pass to Riba for 3. No rebound by jersey number 39. Pass to Flores. Is it 2 points galing by 24? Vasquez pass to Ubarde. What a pass coming by Ubarde pero no good ang tira. Jersey number 39. Vasquez pass to Truba for 3. No good, rebound by out of bounds. Dribbling. Russell pass to jersey number 29. 3 points. Sabi ko sa inyo, magdala kayo payong eh. Vasquez is dribbling. Look for another man. 15 second shot lock. Vasquez for 3. 3 points. Russell. Hindi na baba ang bola. Russell. Step up. Look for another man. Pass to Flores for 3. Bang! 3 points. Umuulan ng 3. Mamaya, uulan din. Russell pa rin ang bola. Russell pa rin, low. 15 second shot lang. Fast to Flores, no good, Ribabay. Castañas, no good, Ribabay, Gubarde. Gubarde, nagmamadali. Pass to Riba. What a pass. Shot is good. Easy 2 points. Coming by Riba. Yung mga tao sa ilalim ng ring makitanggal. Tanggalin yung sarili nyo. There's the whistle foul mula jersey number 15. First personal foul. Ang pagtatangka ni Russell. Shot is no good. Pangalawang pagtatangka. Shot is good. Sabrap! Pass low. Pass to Ignacio. Ignacio umatake. Shot is good.
Umusog ka nga dun. Video ka dyan, video. Bebe yan.
Vasquez for 3. Bang! 3 points. Russell, pass to still by Ignacio. Ignacio, 13 foul. Trupa. Shot is no good.
Oh, di ba? Bobo nga kayo ikaw.
First personal foul, second team foul. Pehan for 3, no rebound by Ignacio. Pass to Cobarde. Cobarde is dribbling. Cobarde matay sa gitna. Lula, pero huli ka! Vasquez Pumararo. Look for an man. Pass to Trupa. Shot is good. No good.
Sir, sabihin mo. Kaya nga.
Position number 21, Mariñez pass to Russell. Russell, stop and pop. No rebound by Vasquez. Vasquez nagmamadali. Vasquez pulling to rebound by Russell. There's a whistle. Shot is good. Second throw, second try. Good again. Official score 17-12 in favor of his friend. Cobarde is dribbling, 15-second shot clock. Riba for 3. No, rebound by Trupa. Pass to Cobarde. Shot is no good. Rebound by jersey number 24. It's still by Trupa. Pass to Cobarde. Cobarde na wala ka pala na ni Pehan. Pehan pass to. Sumampang pass to jersey number 21. Shot is good. Sumampang. Okay. Vasquez for 3. No, rebound by Riba. Pass to Trupa. Shot is good. Toss lang. Ay, nanonood pala yung isang bini. Russell is dribbling. Russell. Dumidiskarte pero sumuga pa. Shot is good. Toss lang. Trupa is dribbling. Trupa looks for another man. Pass to Cobarde. Cobarde for 3. No. Rebound by Vasquez. Vasquez for 3. No good. Rebound by Ignacio. No good again. Rebound by Riba. Riba. There's a whistle. Shot is good. Isa. Let's go.
Tatumingin. Tumabi-tabi ka sa akin.
Oo nga. Oo, sige. Shot is good. Coming by jersey number 24.
Dito pa yung bola.
Umatras.
Yan, sa ganon.
Alban, pass to Truba. Truba is dribbling. Pass to Vasquez. Vasquez, look for another man. He's still by...
Dali, Trupa! Sayang. Binato ka ng bola dyan. Kalabang ko kasi itong katabi. Oh.
Personal foul, warning to penalty.
Dili.
Pag tinamaan ng bola yan.
Subo.
Pass to
Baka
Russell.
hindi na sila makalaro na.
40 seconds, 10 second shot clock. 5 second shot clock.
Shoot!
Umandal for 2, no good. Good. 25 seconds. Ignacio, no good, rebound 5. Sumampo.
Hindi pwede.
21 seconds left.
Shoot!
Truba. 3 points.
Ano yung trupa?
Ano? Kapatid ni Trupa.
Galing mo na, ang gandang depensa yun. 3 seconds.
First
Patay!
time.
Pajo na, Monty Pajo.
End of the play.
Oo, sa Flores.
For 3. No, rebound by Balang. First throw ni Pe, hand shot. Ay, tama. Sige, pasok.
Nagugot na hugot naman sa paa.
Ay, sige, anak ni Malu. Ayan, siya po.
Alban tumama sa PLDT. Out of bounds. Sumampo. Castañas easy dribbling, look for another man. Castañas attacking the basket. Foul, second team foul mula sa Wonder Pets. Castañas. 10-second shot clock. Easy 2 points mula kay Vasquez, jersey number 24. 29. Sumampong pass to Flores for 3. Dia po. Attacking the basket.
Ay! Ay!
Easy dribbling. Pass to Sumampong. Look for another man. Pass to Castañas. 13-second shot lang. Castañas easy 2 points. Noto inbound pass to Quiapo. Pass to Alban. 15-second shot lang. Alban pass to Quiapo.
Jonah, di ko makita to.
Pass to
Ito ka mag-video.
Vasquez. Shot is good.
Nakakashoot tuloy. Saan ka ba? Ka-PG ka, no? Oo.
Castañas, easy dribbling. Castañas, look for another man pass to Pehan, pass to Sumampong.
Jersey number 19 to jersey number 91 is good. Rebound by jersey number 1. Astokia po is stolen by jersey number 13 to jersey number 94. Pass to jersey number 29 in those. All basket. Foul, third team foul, bonus shot ni jersey number 29. Is no good. Rebound by Noto. Pass to kaya po, jersey number 77. Is stolen by jersey number 39. Pass to Flores. Is good. Jersey number 5. It is stolen by Flores. Flores is good. Time out! Gadaro, inbound pass to jersey number 29, Vasquez. Vasquez attacking the basket. Pass to Noto. And out of bounds. Inbound pass to jersey number 29. Jersey number 39 to jersey number 29. Falls for 3. 3 points. Magdadaro. Pass to jersey number 5. Pass to Quiapo. Pass to jersey number 15-second shot lang. Pass to Noto. Noto, pass to Quiapo. Is good. Jersey number 39. Pass to Flores. Jersey number 4. Flores out of bounds. Jersey number 29. Vasquez. Harassing by Flores. Vasquez pass to Quiapo. Falls for 3. Is no good. Rebound by jersey number 27. Is no good. Rebound by jersey number 39. Jersey number 39. Pass to Flores. 15-second shot clock. Pass to jersey number 29. 3 points. Jersey number 29. Vasquez is good. Jersey number 34. Inbound pass to jersey number 39. Pass to Flores. 15-second shot clock. To the big man. To jersey number 29. And there's a whistle for Malakay. What?
Kaya ka lang, layo-layo.
First drive, first throw is good. And how about the second throw, second try? Ready to jump. Is good again. Jersey number 29, Vasquez, harassing by jersey number 4. Pass to jersey number 27 to Vasquez, 15-second shot clock. Vasquez, pass to Quiapo. Quiapo, 10-second shot clock. Jersey number 5. Jersey number 27, pass to Cobarde. Cobarde, jersey number 21, pass to Vasquez. Stolen by jersey number 39. Pass to jersey number 19. Jersey number 19, take. 15-second shot clock is good. Agkadaro, inbound pass to Trupa, jersey number 15. Trupa, 15-second shot clock, pass to jersey number 27. Pass to Trupa, 10-second shot clock, pass to Vasquez. Stolen by jersey number 19. Jersey number 19 is good. Trupa, pass to jersey number 34.
Double team.
Vasquez. Pass to jersey number 27. Pass to Trupa. Pass to Magdadaro. 15-second shot clock. It's the good rebound by. It is stolen by Cobarde. Cobarde, shot is no good. Rebound by jersey number 21. Pass to Russell. Jersey number 19.
Ang laki na ito.
15-second shot clock.
Pader.
Fouls for 3 is the good. Rebound by Vasquez. Vasquez. Easy to points by Vasquez. Russell, jersey number 19. Pass to jersey number 21. Jersey number 21. Nagkatap. Wali. Atop points. Jersey number 94. Pass to Russell. Jersey number 19. Shot 24 shot clock violation. Pass to Vasquez. Hot dog. Shot is good. Official score 46-31 in favor of Israel. Russell, jersey number 19. 15-second shot clock. Russell, only attack. First is good. And how about the second row? Second try, ready to jump. Is the good. Rebound by jersey number 24. Pass to Russell. Pulse for 3 is no good. Rebound by Dosi Cobarde. Cobarde. Jersey number 21. Pass to jersey number 27. Easy to points. Jersey number 13. Pass to Flores. Jersey number 4. Flores. 15-second shot clock. Pass to Russell. Jersey number 19. 10-second shot clock. Russell. Yeah. Astoras Flores. Fouls for 3. Too good. Rebound by jersey number 27. Pass to Vasquez. Vasquez. Jersey number 4 Flores. Easy to finds by Flores.
Sino crush mo dyan?
Cobarde. Jersey number 21. Pass to Ignacio. 15-second shot clock. Easy to points by Ignacio. Russell, jersey number 19. Second shot clock. 55 seconds. Trupa, fouls for 3. Trupa, 3 points. 45 seconds. 40 seconds. Shot clock down to 15. 45 seconds. 30 seconds. 25 seconds is good. 20 seconds.
Score pa din, score.
15 seconds. Shot clock is dead. 10 seconds.
Ganda nun, sayang.
.8 seconds. 6.8. Notice the whistle ball muna kay jersey number. First strike, first throw, the jersey number 24. Is good. And how about the second throw, second try? Ready to jump. Is the good. Rebound by jersey number 27, pass to Vasquez.
Wala, shoot.
And up the second. Ignacio, inbound pass to Cabarde. Jersey number 21. And stolen the jersey number. Stolen by jersey number 5. And there's a whistle formula. Trupa, falls for 3 is no good. Rebound by Noto. Is no good. Rebound by Russell. Jersey number 19. Russell falls for 3 is no good. Rebound by jersey number 24. Is no good. Rebound by Ignacio. Tony Ignacio. Ignacio is good. 9 minutes exactly. Jersey number 29 falls for 3. 3 points. Cobarde. Jersey number 21. Dose Cobarde. Pass to Trupa. 15 second shot clock. Pass to Cobarde. Pass to Trupa. Falls for 3. Is to good. Rebound by jersey number 29. Pass to jersey number 19. Russell is good. Cobarde. Falls for 3. Cobarde. 3 points. Jersey number 19. Russell. Pass to jersey number 29. Pulse for 3. Outside. Tumawa sa wire. Official score 55-45 lamang spell. Cobarde. Si Cobarde. Jersey number 21. 15 second shot clock. Pass to Ignacio. Ignacio. Pass to Noto. Easy 2 points by Noto.
Tanya, score.
Russell number 19. Pass to jersey number 39. Pass to jersey number 94. Easy 2 points for jersey number 94. I am remaining 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Cobarde pass to Trupa. 15 second shot clock. Pass to Ignacio. Pass to jersey number 5. Pulse for 3. The good rebound by Ignacio. Easy 2 points by Ignacio. Russell, jersey number 19. Russell, 15 second shot clock. Jersey number 5, pass to Cobarde. Jersey number 21, pass to Ignacio. 15 second shot clock. Pass to Trupa. Rappelling violation. Jersey number 19, the jersey number 24, jersey number 30, jersey number 29, is 2 points. Jersey number 5, pass to Trupa, pulse for 3, is too good. Ignacio.
Uy, Donnie, wag ganun.
Ignacio. At again the basket, is 2 points by Ignacio. Is good.
Sabi ko na makikita yan.
5 minutes and 50 seconds. Russell, pulse for 3. Is the good. Rebound by jersey number 5. Jersey number 5, pass to Ignacio. Easy to points by Ignacio. 5 na lang po ang kalamangan ng Spain. Jersey number 39, magpabalik-balik. Is good. Cobarde, jersey number 21, Dulce Cobarde. Cobarde, pass for 3. The good. Rebound by jersey number 2, Ignacio. Ignacio. Violation.
Lang.
19. Russell, pass to jersey number 29. Pulse for 3. 3 points. Cobarde, Dulce Cobarde, jersey number 21. Pass to Ignacio. 15-second shot clock. And after rebound pass to jersey number 19. Russell. There's a whistle call. For inbound pass to jersey number 19. Russell. 10-second shot clock. 5-second shot clock. First. 9. Cobarde, jersey number 21. Dulce Cobarde. Pass to jersey number 13. Magdadaro. 10-second shot clock. Easy to points by Magdadaro. Russell, jersey number 19. It is stolen by Ignacio. Pass to Cobarde. It is stolen by Dulce Cobarde. Vasquez, jersey number 29. First for 3 is no good. Rebound by 10-second shot clock is no good. Rebound by jersey number 24. Pass to Russell. Russell, pass to Flores. Pulse for 3 is no good. Rebound by Ignacio. Tony Ignacio. Is no good. Rebound by Russell, jersey number 19. Russell attacking the basket. Easy to points by Russell, jersey number 19. Best to jersey number 24. 15-second shot clock. Is the good. Flores, jersey number 4. 15-second shot clock. Pass to jersey number 94. Ano po ni? Hotdog. Pass to jersey number 29. Is the good. Rebound by and attack pa. Bagong tuli. Pass. Bench ng Spain. Urong kayo dyan. Jersey number 19. 15-second shot clock. Hassel, pass to Flores. Pass for 3 is no good. Rebound to jersey number 11. Pass to jersey number 29. Rebound by jersey number 35 seconds. Vasquez, jersey number 29. Behind the pass. Pass to Vasquez again. 15-second shot clock. Pass to jersey number 27. 10-second shot clock. Pass to Vasquez. Hotdog is no good. Rebound by jersey number 13. Russell, jersey number 19. And there's a whistle call mula kay jersey number 29. Jersey number 13. Offensive. Hotdog, inbound pass to Quiapo. Quiapo, pass to jersey number 11, pass for 3, no good, rebound by Nato, pass to jersey number 7. 45 seconds. 40 seconds.
Bag.
Quiapo. Nanuga pa. 30 seconds.
Bantay 10.
10 seconds! Installing the jersey number. Russell inbound the ball, pass to jersey number 13, pass to jersey number 94, pass to Umandal. Luis Almandal ba? Jersey number 77, Quiapo. Fires for 3 is no good, rebound by jersey number 13. Jersey number 13, naghanap ng papasahan, pass to jersey number 39. Shot clock down to 15, jersey number 39, may naman ang bola, nice to get back on jersey number Quiapo. Pass to Trupa, attack on the basket, is it 2 points. Russell may tama ng bola and look to the other man. John Louis Russell. Attack on the basket. Foul. Basket mula kay jersey number 2. On a shot ni Russell is no good. Rebound by Ignacio. Pass to Quiapo. Pass to Trupa. Back to Quiapo. To Vasquez. Pumukol. Is no good, rebound by Trupa. Is it 2 points. Jersey number 24 inbound the ball. Pass to John Louis Russell. Russell may tama ng bola and look to the other man. Pass to jersey number 94. Pass to Pehan. Pumukol ng dos is no good, rebound by Ignacio. Ignacio harassing by Pehan. Pass to jersey number 77. Back to Trupa. Ay, yung bench mo ng Ben, iskis lang. Hindi makita eh. No. John Louis Russell may tama ng bola and look to the other man. Russell. Time remaining 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Pass to Russell. 5 seconds shot up. Jersey number 4, back to Quiapo. Shot clock down to 15, pass to Trupa. Trupa fires for 2. Is no good, rebound by jersey number 77, Quiapo. Pass for 3. Is no good, rebound by jersey number 13. Jersey number 13, pass to Russell. Jersey number 19, pass to jersey number Castañas, pass to Russell. Russell pumukol. 3 points. Time remaining 7 minutes and 50 seconds. Jersey number 5, may tama ng bola, pass to Trupa, pabawi. 3 points. Lima na lang po ang kalamangan ng Isbed. Russell may tama ng bola, look, pabawi ulit. Is no good, rebound by Ignacio, pass to Quiapo. Quiapo naman nakuha ni jersey number. Nakuha ni jersey number 27, Martin, pass to Ignacio. Ignacio attack on the basket. There's a whistle foul committed by Joe. First try ni Ignacio is good. Second try, second throw ni Ignacio. Ready to jump. Shot is good again. Tatlo na lang po ang inbound the ball pass to jersey number 39. Jersey number 39 may tama ng bola and look to the other man. Jersey number 39. Pass to Russell. Russell attack on the basket, pass for 2 is no good, rebound by Ignacio. Ignacio harassing by Russell is stolen by Russell. Listen up, there's a whistle foul committed by shot is good. Shot is good again. Time remaining 7 minutes and 4 seconds. Party jersey number 21. May tama na bola and look to the other man. Shot clock down to 15. Pass to jersey number 15. I said 5 pala. Pass to Coparte. Only 10 seconds shot clock. Coparte pass to jersey number 27 is no. Only 5 seconds shot clock. Is no good, rebound by Castañas. Castañas may tama na bola and look to the other one. Pass to Russell. Jersey number 19. Russell pumukol ng dos. Nakakuha ni jersey number 13. Is 2 points. Time remaining 6 minutes and 20 seconds. Shot clock down to 15. Ignacio may tama na bola. Look to the other man. Pass to Alban. Pass to. Pass. Hello, isip ko nga.
Ignacio attack on the basket is no good. Rebound by jersey number 24. Pass to jersey number 39. Castañas pass to Russell. Russell jersey number 19. Pumukol ng 3. Is no good. Rebound by Ignacio. Ignacio long pass to jersey number 9. Ball pass to Cobarde.
Dos, masasa.
Cobarde palak is no. Nakakuha ni jersey number 24. Pass to jersey number 39. Castañas may naman na bola, look to the other one. Castañas attack on the basket is no good. Rebound by jersey number 2. Long pass to jersey number. Out of 7-point lead coming by Esben. Jersey number 19. Russell may naman na bola, look to the other one. Pass to Flores. Pass to jersey number 94. Pumukol. Is no good. Rebound by Cobarde. Cobarde may naman na bola, look to the other one. Harassing by Russell. Pass to jersey number 5. Pumukol ng 3. Is no good. Rebound by Fortune Puti. Pass to Ignacio. There's a 24. Warning, 3 balled out. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Jersey number 13. Inbound ball. Pass to jersey number 19, Russell. Time remaining, only 5 minutes exactly. Russell may tama na bola, look to the other one. Russell pass to Flores. Flores pass to jersey number 94, back to shot clock, only 5 seconds shot clock. Cobarde may tama na bola, look to the other one. Shot clock down to 15. Cobarde nagtangka. Is no good. Rebound by jersey number 13. May tama na bola, look to the other one. Time remaining 4 minutes and 20 seconds. By Ignacio. Ignacio nagsarili na. Attack on the basket. Is it 2 points? Jersey number 24. Pass to jersey number 19. Shot clock down to 15. Russell pass to Flores. Flores pass to jersey number 19. Russell pass to Flores. Flores followed by jersey number 24. Is it 2 points?
Donnie, go na, Donnie.
Jersey number 15 inbound ball pass to jersey number 21. Cobarde. Shot clock down to 15. Pass to Trupa. Back to Cobarde. Pass to jersey number 5. Pumukol ng 3. 3 points. And remaining only 30 and only 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Is it 2 points by jersey number 13. Back to the ball game. Jersey number 2 inbound the ball. Pass to jersey number 21. Cobarde. Cobarde may naman ng bola. Look to the other man. Shot clock down to 15. Only 15 seconds shot clock. Pass to Cobarde. Only 10 seconds shot clock. Pumukol ng 3. 3 points coming by jersey number 5. Jersey number 13 inbound the ball. Pass to jersey number 19. Jersey number 19 pass to Flores. Flores babawi. Is no good. Rebound by jersey number 13. Napakaganda nakakuha ni jersey number 5. And my symbol. Only 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Cobarde may naman na bola, look to the other man. Shot clock 2 to 15. Pass to Ignacio. Pass to Vasquez. Pumukol ng 2. Dalawa na lang po ang kalamangan ng Isben.
Russell.
Russell may naman na bola, look to the other man. Shot clock 2 to 15. Russell naman shot, only 15 seconds shot clock. Shot clock down to 10. Pass to jersey number. Is no good rebound. Is nata pa rin nakakuha ni Flores. Shot clock down to 15. Russell attack on the basket. Is good. Back to Cobarde. Shot clock down to 15. Only 15 seconds shot clock. What a price! Time remaining on the last 2 minutes. Shot clock down to 15. Russell the other one. Only 15 seconds, shot clock, down to 10. Russell, pass to Flores, only 5 seconds, shot clock.
Donnie, go na
30 seconds. Is Tali by Russell. Time remaining, 1 minute and 20 seconds. Yes, Tali by Russell. Is Silva point. Oy! Oy! Mga tao sa ring, alis daw kayo dyan. Gumagalaw yung ring. Brazil may kama ng bola yung look na naman na racing by jersey number 15 Trupa. Brazil ng pamasaya. Time remaining 1 minute exactly. Only 55 seconds.
Dre, still Dre.
Only 50 seconds. Only 40 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 30. Only 20 seconds. Dalawa na lang po ang kalamangan ng Isben. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. Only 10 seconds. Only 5 seconds.